The Advanced Geological Forecast in Tunnel Construction is an international frontier topic. It is also a difficult issue, which is being studied by all countries. Europe started early in the research while America started late in the research. In the early 1890s, China also began to study the Advanced Geological Forecast technology. What role does the study of geological conditions before tunnel excavation play in tunnel construction? Through the advanced forecast, the abnormal situation can be found in time, and the location and attitude of unfavorable geologic bodies in front of the tunnel face, as well as the integrity of surrounding rock structure and the possibility of water content can be forecast. It can provide the basis for correct selection of excavation section and support design parameters and for optimization of construction scheme. It can also provide timely information for the prevention of possible catastrophic accidents of the tunnel such as water gushing, mud burst and gas burst, so that the engineering unit can make construction preparations in advance and ensure construction safety. At the same time, it can also save a lot of money. Therefore, the Tunnel Advance Forecast has great social and economic benefits for safe and scientific construction, accident loss avoidance and investment saving. Advanced Geological Forecast. The following objectives shall be achieved. First, further investigate the engineering geological and hydrogeological conditions in front of the tunnel excavation working face, to guide the smooth progress of the project construction. Second, reduce the probability and hazard extent of geological disasters. Finally, provide geological basis for engineering design optimization. So how do we carry out the Advanced Geological Forecast? There are 5 commonly used methods for Advanced Geological Forecast. Geological Survey Method, TSP Seismic Wave Method, Ground Penetrating Radar Method, Infrared Water Detection Method, Advanced Geological Drilling Method. Let's start with the first method. Geological Survey Method. Its working principle is based on the geological theory and plotting method. The lithology, geological structure, and groundwater situation revealed by the tunnel are accurately recorded and plotted as charts. In combination with the existing survey data, predict and forecast the geological conditions in front of the excavation surface. Its detection range is within 10 m. Its advantages are solid theoretical basis, simple equipment, and convenient operation. No or little tunnel construction time is occupied, timely submission of materials, and low cost. Disadvantages: it requires a higher level of geological knowledge for operators. It is required to be completed by geological professionals. Especially in tunnels with extremely complex stratum lithology changes, the accuracy of forecast is more limited. What we see now is the TSP Seismic Wave Method. The working principle of TSP Seismic Wave Method is, by utilizing the incidence and reflection principles of seismic wave and data imaging technology, the position of geological interface in front of and around the tunnel face is directly reflected. Its detection range is 50 to 200 m. Its advantages are: the reflected signals forecasting fault and other planar structures are obvious. The detection results of the TSP can forecast whether there is groundwater, whether it is a weak water-rich zone or a strong water-rich zone, and other relative conclusions. Disadvantages: the response is not obvious when forecasting karst caves and other point geological bodies. Only qualitative interpretation can be carried out for the tunnel surrounding rock, and rich geological work experience is required. What we see now is the ground penetrating radar method. Its working principle is the broad-spectrum electromagnetic technique for detecting underground media. The ground penetrating radar uses an antenna to transmit high-frequency electromagnetic waves, and the other antenna is used to receive reflected waves from the underground media interface. The geology condition is inferred from the analysis of reflected waves. The detection range is 10 to 25 m. It has the advantages of strong adaptability to the tunnel construction environment and little interference to the construction. The accuracy degree is relatively high. For the detection of unfavorable geological bodies such as rock caves and rich water areas close to the tunnel face, the ground-penetrating radar has its own unique features. Its disadvantage is that the geological interpretation is only based on radar test data, so the accuracy degree is relatively poor. Rich geological experience must be combined. During operation, it is necessary to reduce interference, compare with the actually exposed geology at any time, and accurately determine the sheennage of the observation station arrangement surface. What we see below is the curve graph of infrared water detection method. Its working principle is: detect the change of infrared field strength to predict whether there is water-bearing body in front of the tunnel face. The detection range is 10 to 30 m. Its advantages, mainly forecasting whether there is water or not, high accuracy and fast measuring speed. Disadvantages: quantitative water measurement is impossible, and only approximate distance can be reflected. Finally, let's take a look at the advanced geological drilling method. Its working principle is extra-long drilling and conduct core logging. It is carried out with the cooperation of drilling rate, thrust, torque, return water color, borehole water outflow, and geophysics comprehensive evaluation. The detection range is 5 to 80 m. Its advantages are good effect and accuracy, high identification rate with intuitiveness and objectivity. Disadvantages: high cost, plenty of tunnel construction time is occupied, and only one hole cannot represent all situations. Advanced geological forecast is very important to the tunnel construction and operation safety. In view of the geology complexity of karst tunnel engineering, all parties need to provide sufficient professional geological personnel to participate in the whole tunnel construction process and strengthen the advanced geological forecast. At the same time, the detection of covered karst around the tunnel shall be strengthened to improve the analysis and prevention ability. Geological personnel shall conduct excavation at any time, observe the change of geological conditions at any time, conduct detection and comprehensive study and judgment at any time, and make design adjustments in time to ensure the smooth completion of project safety.